bikes. And today we're going to kind of show you a brake lever adjustment and an overall handlebar adjustment on your bike. So I've gone ahead and loosened up the stem bolts here on the handlebars so you can see you can adjust it accordingly to where you want. What we like to do and what we recommend is if you are riding the bike, you want a real natural position. You don't want it cranked all the way up here. You don't want it too far down that you're overextending yourself. So we're just gonna go ahead and center this up here. And that feels about pretty darn good for me. You kind of want just a slight bend to your wrist, but you don't want them, just laying flat. Should we put them right about, I think, right about there. Okay. And kind of get them started a little bit, but not too tight. And then you're going to want to come in behind with it and torque those 4 bolts down. CDI makes these nice little pre-set torque wrenches to 4 Newton meters. Just come onto here, tighten that down till, okay. As always, when you're tightening these kind of style bolts, do it in like a star pattern if you can, or the best you can. Okay. All right. And that's pretty much all you need to do there. You can also adjust them, the actual brakes themselves here on the handlebars. So you'll notice here, there's 2 bolts pre-positioned already here. You can back these out, and you can adjust your brake individually there as well, if you wanted to. All right, and that pretty much covers brake adjustment for the actual levers themselves on the handlebars. Thanks.